Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we talked last week that the big question about this pullback was going to be what would the bears do after the bulls put a couple of green days together? Are they going to let the bulls have 10 green days, which is what happened here, or are they going to fight back, create a lower high, and potentially go down and make it a lower low? Well, we're in the middle of answering that question right now. The bears, I put in the chat room a little while ago that they've got the news cycle wind at their back. They have. They have the news cycle wind at their back. There's no deal. Okay? And now things are starting to stagnate in D.C. The news is kind of going away. It was a big deal when it happened, but now it's just kind of going away, which plays to the bears up to the point where a deal gets done. Because now I think a deal will be much more of a news shock to the market. They ramped it up yesterday into the close, and we shorted it. We shorted 90.25 because, that was a gigantic hope trade. That was a huge hope trade. You were front running a deal. You're front running this ADP number this morning that was disappointing, but mostly you were front running a deal. You're front running a deal, and everybody is leaving for the night in Washington, and the House is passing things that aren't going to pass. So you have to look at these ramps with a skeptical eye, and that was just that was there for the taking. So we peeled that off, took a couple handles on the third, took 4 handles on another, and then this morning we took the rest off for 13. So it's been a nice day for us so far, and I'm very hesitant to step in front of this and start picking away at a long. The only thing I will tell you is right here we've got a Globex low at 75.25, and that's a matching low from yesterday, and it's right at this 50% fib. So 75 is a big deal. You lose 75 and you get a little momentum, then maybe we go down and test this panic low at 66. So this remains a panic reaction low. And now we've got this little melt up high up at 92.25. And, I expect, yesterday was very whippy, very choppy. I expect the same. You're going to get a lot of tweets, a lot of things out there. And you have to use stops. I took a -3 yesterday where I normally probably wouldn't have taken a -3. I would have, added a little bit or adjusted or held on for a little longer. And it ended up being, the trade ended up going well, and we ended up having to re-enter. But you have to take that stop because you don't know if that ramp is the deal. If it's the deal, then you're going to end up in something you can't control. You're going to end up down 10 handles or down 15 handles. So you wait for the next opportunity. And that opportunity came on the close, and, that -3 was way back in the rearview mirror now after last night and this morning. So, but that just emphasizes what I was saying yesterday is you have to use stops. We're in a news-driven market. Don't fool yourselves. This is a news market, and it's going to be choppy and whippy, and there's going to be surprises along the way. So please use stops. Okay, so 75, and on the up, bulls got to get through 92. That probably only happens on a deal, and if they do, they have a chance to extend to 98 up to 1702 to test that red line up there, that Fibonacci level. Everybody have an amazing day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Come check out. I say it every morning, and I'm humbly saying, come check out the chat room. I think we can help your trading. I really do. Okay, everybody have an amazing day. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.